Then now I would like to introduce the harvesting machine of combine wheat and barley together if possible. Now we are the time of the rice harvesting time we call 가을 in autumn. It's late autumn. I will show you that combine. This is the combine. We call it the combine. This is the adjusting. The rice will be traffic in like this in here, and this is that chain for the moving the straw. And when the rice straw coming here, whole plant have to do reached in here and moving by this chain like this here, and coming out in here. Then this one more chain is composed in here, and after the threshing, not threshing, that detaching of the grain will be operated in this inside, and the grain will be coming back, moving to the here, this drum in here, and moving to like this. And then finally reach to the here, and we can do contain like here. This is the contain. This is almost 500 kilogram, and this case 340 kilogram almost. This new rice. I will show you the harvest rice. This is the harvest after drying. Yeah, this is dry condition. After drying, we will do making the unhulled rice. Unhulled rice related things I will show you next time. See you next time.